Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the brand new Aston Martin DB5 in 1/24th scale from Revell. This is in collaboration with James Bond. It's the Goldfinger car, 122 parts, easy click system, and it comes with paints and a poster as well. On the other side you see you've got rights and things like that. Warnings on this side, and on the back you've got some pictures of the prototype version, a little bit of information about the car, about the painting, and the easy click system over there. It's a level 2 kit. Let's have a look inside. So we've got instructions, got a body shell with some paints in there, tyres, a load of other sprues including some chrome parts, some more chrome parts, and this sheet as well. So this is a feature I've not seen in a Revell kit before. It comes with this nice poster of the box art. Yeah, it's quite a nice little poster. I'll probably put that up on the wall. The Aston Martin DB5 is a British Grand Tourer designed by Italian coach builder Carriera Touring Superleggera. Produced from 1963 to 65, the DB5 was an evolution of the DB4, with the DB designation from the initials of David Brown, who built up the company from 1947 onwards. The DB5 became associated with James Bond after it was modified by special effects expert John Steers and used in 1964's Goldfinger, starring Sean Connery. The novel had featured a DB Mark III, but Steers persuaded them to update to the new DB5. It would later reappear as the personal car of Bond in Pierce Brosnan's GoldenEye and Tomorrow Never Dies, and Daniel Craig's run, including the most recent film No Time to Die. So we've got the instructions here, safety advice, licensing, things like that. Information about how to assemble it. Colours, this is how it's optional, so you've got tank grey matte, silver metallic, brown silk matte, orange clear and red clear. Details of some of the sprues here, and some more of the sprues here. And then you've got full colour instructions. As the DB5 features not shown, or if you want to do it the 007 version, so that's a nice option. So you see how here on this one you've got stickers and decals with this version. So look here, you can see accessories hidden or exposed. So there's some engine detail, but the bonnet doesn't open. So for instance, you've got things like the Boudica spikes you can choose to use or not. And then you've got sort of features, extras like the bullet shield at the back, the roof at the top. So yeah, hopefully will turn out to a nice car. Comes with multiple number plates. So this is a brand new tooling, so there we are. We've got some engine detail on here, gearbox and the underside of the engine, exhaust pipes, other sort of piping. Yeah, so you know, a bit limited on detail regarding this, but I know that bonnet doesn't open. And then here you've got some interior details, so we've got door cards here, things like the door handle sort of appears, and then you've got the two front seats. I think these are sort of handles and things like that, handbrake, and then you've got the rear seats moulded into place. So yeah, no flash, but that you would expect that from brand new kit. Got the largest sprue here. These are also moulded in black. So you can see for this one we've got the underside of the floor, The inside of the wheels, I think, some suspension parts, some more suspension parts. I think the rear axle is fixed. (2023) Revell. Okay. So on this sprue we do have some detail that goes around the engine, which is unusual as this will all be covered up. Then we got some shocks, got a gear stick there. That gear stick doesn't have the switch exposed. And then on this side we've got things like the pedals, more shocks, and the disc brakes. You can see there they've got a bit of caliper detail. Then on this sprue we've got some gadget details. So for instance we've got the buttons exposed on the armrest here, and you've got the gear stick with the switch, you can see there, and next to it on the right you can see so there's the armrest with the switches, and there's the one where they're hidden, so multiple parts. There's a little radar screen, and I think these kind of triangular prism pieces are the number plates that can be spun around. Here we've got the 3-spoke steering wheel, we've got a little bit of mechanical detail there, not sure what that is, and you've got a dashboard, only right-hand drive, but Bond did drive a left-hand drive DB5 in Casino Royale. Nice bit of detail here though, you can see where this speaker has been moulded in. So here we have some of the parts for the gadgets, so we've got the ejector roof and also the bullet shield in the back. These are moulded in silver, but unfortunately you can see where the plastic has been injected, and it's not taken very well, so that's a real shame. I think painting this is the way to go. Then on this one you've got this sort of underside of the lip at the front, and also got the backside of the wheels. And here's the bodywork. You can see again moulded in that silver. There's a couple of mould seams like along the front of the wings here. You can also see a lot of prominent holes where you'll click the parts into. A little bit of detail there on the back with the sort of boot latch. Got the fuel filler cap there. Small mould seam here on the top, and some detail around the window panes. It's funny that the bonnet has been sealed closed, but I suppose you could open it should you really want to. At least the the scoop has been moulded in, so that's good. Here we have the larger of the two chrome sprues, and some details that I'm really not happy with. So as you can see, the radiator grille isn't see-through, so you've got, you're going to need a black panel liner with that. Same with the wheels. Unfortunately, I know Revell were criticised for their E-type wheels, so some people may be wanting to 3D print their own. I'm going to try and make these work myself, but you've got lots of details on here, like wing mirrors. That's the handle for the boot lid. Yeah, you've got things like the rear view mirror, got the overriders for the bumpers. Those are little fins for the air vents on the side. And we've got wipers, we've got handles. The chrome isn't too bad. I know some people will just strip this straight off, but yeah, I wouldn't be able to get a finish like this. I don't have the right paint. So here we have the smaller chrome sprue, and you can see that this has got the wheel spinners here that stick out. You can see they're on these long poles to puncture enemies' tyres. And then as well as that, you've got the bumper with the number plate surround for the front. Next we have the clear parts, and these are quite well done, nice and clear. Separate windows, and there you've got some of the gadgets on this smaller sprue. Up to the left, there's the headlight covers. Interesting that you've got sprue I up to the top left here, which is slightly separate. That's got gadgets on it. I would imagine that they might remove these and start selling a non-Bond version of the DB5 as well. We'll have to watch this space. We've got 4 rubber tyres. These all seem to be the same. Got the grooves on the outside, and they're quite narrow as you'd expect from the mid-60s. These are quite nice, kind of soft, no sidewall marking, but yeah, they're okay. Then we've got 5 pots of Revell aqua paint. Got a dark grey, brown, silver, and then the clear red and orange. And you've also got the Revell signature double-ended brush there Useful if you're going to brush paint it, but I wouldn't if I were you. Then finally we've got the decals, and these come with stickers as well, as this is an easy click version. So you can see here the stickers come with the 3 optional number plates, as well as badges, instrument panels. You've even got the bullet holes for the shield at the back. And then the decals, you've got a few more options on here. Lots of badges, sort of instrument things for the inside. You've also got this chrome trim for the dashboard and glove box, which is a nice feature. Yeah, really nice detail on some of these. There's little pockets for the doors, I think. You've got the bullet holes for the rear shield. And I think even on the little Aston Martin badges, I think it even says David Brown. So yeah, really good details. And you know, these are Cartograph decals, which means you know they're going to be really high quality. So yeah, always a highlight of a Revell kit. So there we have it. Really glad to have got hold of an early copy of this. I should be building this really soon, I hope, and hopefully I'll do it justice. Let me know what you think down below. Will you be picking up one of these? What are you happy with it? What are you not happy with? Thanks a lot for watching. Leave me comments down below, and I'll see you soon.